After dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey was gunned down in an encounter in Kanpur, questions now continue to rise on the manner of his death. India Today has accessed some fresh images of cops who were injured in the encounter. However, bloodstains on uniforms of all the three cops are similar. Meanwhile, doctors conducted post-mortem on Vikas Dubey, and according to autopsy reports there, the Don was shot thrice in his chest and received a bullet wound in his hand. The Uttar Pradesh STF's clarification on the encounter has also raised a lot of questions. The STF claimed that the driver of the car carrying Vikas Dubey was he was tired and lost control of the vehicle right at the time when a cattle came in between. The police claim that Vikas Dubey snatched the gun of a cop and started to run on the road. He even fired at a policeman, only to be injured in retaliatory fire and then succumbed. Here we're looking at several questions raised on how this encounter took place. A lot of suspicion now surrounding the intent of the UP police starting with the media being blocked right at a point. 15 minutes later, barely 15 minutes later, an encounter taking place with an explanation by the UP police saying that he tried to escape. This is exactly a situation that Vikas Dubey had anticipated. He anticipated an encounter, which is why he shouted his name on top of his voice in Ujjain while he literally surrendered himself, so that it appeared that he didn't want to be gunned down in the encounter like his counterparts. 4 of them who were encountered, his gang members. Vikas Dubey, it looked like, feared that he too will have the same fate. Here, let's go over to Shivendra Srivastava reporting from Kanpur for more details. Shivendra, take us through the details of the case now. What we see here is an encounter. In fact, over the last 24 hours, there have been a couple of evidence that have come to fore that don't really add up on the story or the explanation given by the UP police. The UP police explains that this man tried to run and therefore they shot him. Questions still remain unanswered. Why did they shoot him on the chest? As per protocol, they must, if they have to stop him, shoot him on the leg. Here we're also looking at blood stains, that some evidence that we've received here. Reports suggest that the blood stains on 3 of the cops who claim to be injured all appear to look the same. Things don't add up. What is it on ground that you identify?
See, Nabila, there are lots of questions arising on this encounter case of Kanpur in which Vikas Dubey died yesterday. But it was like all evident, and he was also fearing that this will happen somehow with him. That's why he surrendered in Ujjain and he shouted his name that Mahi hu Vikas Kanpur wala, Vikas Dubey Kanpur wala. These all were tactics and attempts to save his life. That's why he surrendered in Ujjain instead of UP, because he was aware that police is hunting for him, and the moment they will get him, he'll be killed in an encounter. That's what happened last week. Just before 25 kilometers from Kanpur, where he was brought yesterday, he was killed in an encounter. There are lots of questions which needs to be addressed by UPSTF and police officers as well, like why he was running away when he himself surrendered in Ujjain, why he was not handcuffed, why there was no blood stain on his body instead of like other 3 people were like colored with the red blood stains by sport from Vikas Dubey's body. So there are lots of questions, and as per standard procedure, after any encounter, there will be an inquiry and detailed report will be submitted before government and police officers as well. But what that will reveal, that is a big question, because they all are like list of suspected people who are involved in this encounter. And in the meantime, investigation in this case is also going on. Police teams are still raiding at different places to nab other associates of Vikas Dubey so that they can get detail of whole conspiracy and planning on the day of incident on 2nd of July. So this is also very important, because after death of Vikas Dubey, there are lots of questions which needs to be answered about that conspiracy and planning that needs to be uncovered by UPSTF, and it is high time to nab them as soon as possible, because if they will flood away, there is another question that why they are not getting detail of that all conspiracy.
Absolutely.
So there are lots of teams who are raiding. Yesterday also UPSTF team raids in Bikru village, and they recovered some crude bombs and other ammunition and other like documents and other things which relate this case. So parallelly both the things are going on. Inquiry in encounter case is going on, and also like police is hunting for other associates of Vikas Dubey. But after death of Vikas Dubey, there is like situation is very dicey that whether they will get all conspiracy angle or not.
Absolutely, Deshwinder. We do know that Vikas Dubey had information coming in from inside sources. With Vikas Dubey's death, now the big question is how will investigations proceed? Let's hope the UP police do their duty and try and nab that nexus and dismiss it at the earliest, bring them to the book of law there. Now,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.